Here is a video about all my on-the-go sketching and watercolor supplies. Here I have the Urban Sketching Art Pack. This book came with a little package that had a sketchbook along with it. It is a great guidebook to help you sketch on location. This book has a lot of different illustrations and tips and tools to help you to sketch outdoors wherever you are. It also talks about drawing people in motion. So when you're out sketching, there's going to be a lot of people to sketch depending on where you go. So this book gives you a guide on how to sketch people. I would definitely recommend this book to anyone who is willing to go out and sketch on location, because this will give you a guide as to what to do, how to approach the scene, and to make it easier when you sketch buildings and different things like that. So this is the Urban Sketching Art Pack. This is my Moleskine watercolor sketchbook. This is a nice sketchbook because it has a nice long landscape orientation. I really like this watercolor sketchbook because it is really small and compact, and I like the landscape orientation on how it looks. So this is one of my favorite watercolor sketchbooks. Now I'm going to open up my sketching bag. I got this bag from TJ Maxx. This is the brand is Travelon, and this is actually to keep your toiletries and different things when you travel. Here is my watercolor jar and my other Handbook Journal Company sketchbook, and I have clips to hold my sketchbook paper in place while sketching. As you can see, the clips will hold your paper flat so that the paper doesn't move when you're sketching or painting on your paper. I have my towel to wipe my watercolor off. This is a very valuable tool that only costs me about $1. And it helps me to clean my brushes when I do watercolor painting. I have my watercolor brushes. In this case, is actually a Crayola cheap watercolor case, and I just took out the Crayola watercolors and used it as a brush holder. It was only 99 cents. I have my water spray bottle to spray my watercolors before using the watercolor. And I also have some wipes to clean my hands in case I get any watercolor paint on my hands. Now here are my Altoid tin watercolor sets that I put together. These were spray painted, and I glued the Trident gum packs, and this one has half pan and full pan watercolors. So these are homemade. The first one is made with Winsor & Newton watercolors. The second one is made with Daniel Smith watercolors. And I forgot to mention my sketch pencils. These are really great for me to sketch out the scene and then do my painting. So this is a great tin I got in a drawing class, and I have my pencil sharpener that I like a lot. Keeps my pencil sharp, and my Factus eraser to erase when needed. So I hope you enjoyed this art pack, my travel sketching pack, and go out and sketch.